Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video we are talking about builder pattern and I will show you how it can simplify the object creation in Java. We'll start by looking at the problem, how things are done before the builder pattern, and then we will transform the code using the builder pattern to make it more elegant and maintainable. Let's dive in. Here's a common scenario. You have a class like PaymentDetails with multiple attributes. Some attributes are mandatory like amount and currency, while others like customer name and customer email are optional. Here's how it looks without builder pattern. The PaymentDetails class relies on multiple constructors to have different combination of attributes. This works, but it quickly becomes messy. Every time you add a new attribute, you might need to create more constructor. Plus, when you are reading the code, it's hard to tell which parameter correspond to which attribute, and it's just not readable or scalable. Now let's refactor this code using builder pattern. The idea is simple. Instead of relying on constructors with many parameters, we use a builder class to construct the payment details object step by step. Here's a refactored code. For partial objects, notice how much cleaner this looks. You can see exactly what each attribute is, and there's no need to remember the order of the parameters in a constructor. Here's how the builder pattern works behind the scenes. The payment details class is now immutable and the construction logic is delegated to a nested static builder class. This makes your code more readable, maintainable and scalable. You don't need to add new constructor for every combination of parameter. Just add a new setter method in the builder if you need a new attribute. So why should you use a builder pattern? The first one is the readability. You can see what each parameter means without relying on comments or constructor order. Second one is the flexibility. Easily construct object without optional attribute. Third one is the immutability, which means that resulting object is immutable, which makes it safer to use in multi-threaded environments. The fourth one is the scalability. Adding new attribute does not clutter your code base with additional constructor. So in summary, the builder pattern is a powerful tool for simplifying the object creation, especially when you are dealing with classes that have many optional attributes. It makes your code cleaner and more maintainable in long run.